completed is hello, hello. Mr. Karthikeyan has completed a postgraduate diploma and PPT in SIPAT, where he has completed a MBA. He is having 14 years experience. Especially, he is a specialist in applications, expert in process optimization, validation, machine selection, troubleshooting, and finding mold defects through statistical approach. He is qualified with the Six Sigma Black Belt. He worked with Toshiba injection molding machines company and various other processing companies. Now he is working as a manager technical and sales in Aquapurge UK Limited. I request Karthik to do the presentation. Karthik, please. Hello, Karthik.
Hello.
Karthik.
Very good morning to everyone. Very good morning to everyone.
Yes, we are hearing you, Karthik. Proceed, please.
Proceed.
Proceed.
First and foremost, I thank IPA Chennai chapter members and audience for giving these wonderful opportunities for my presentations. I'm going to brief about cost saving by increasing equipment efficiency and reduction the cost of produce by enhancement of production through process optimization. So I'm going to brief some about of contents like about as SMP conversion by theoretical, benefits of purchasing compound, shutter nozzle, bimetallic screw and barrel, air cooled oil coolers and conclusions. See, Aquapurge.
Karthik, your screen is not shared. Go to your share screen. Share
Okay,
screen.
sir.
No,
Now it is okay.
Screen is not coming. Oh, yeah, let me. The screen is shared because I am.
Yes, sir. It's shared.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yeah. Then proceed.
See, Aquapurge is invented based on UK. So Aquapurge manufacture more than 25 years of focused purging materials and manufacturing the purging components too. Almost more than 160 products they are manufacturing, mainly focused on barrel purging compounds like barrel bleach, universal, polychlor and PVC purge. So Aquapurge has doubled its turnover via sales leads to export. Aquapurge have more than 750 customers in worldwide, now introduced into India for enhancement of business. So NRH Industrial and Auto Machineries is the distributor of Aquapurge in India, located at Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So NRH company founded by 3 engineering professionals who have more than 25 years experience on sales and marketing, especially capital equipments. NRH also deals shutter nozzles, nitrates and bimetallic screw and barrel, PET freeform cap and closure molds, furniture and crate molds, and also printing machineries and air oil coolers from centers. See, by implementing SMP conversion in the plastic industry, help to save the cost. What is SMP? SMP means standard molding parameters. Actually, any kind of plastic part before production, the trial has to be conducted and process to be optimized and validated. Once process optimized and validated during trial, the parameters are recorded. The recorded parameters normally called as a standard molding parameters. See, normally the trials takes shift or daytime. Sometimes the number of trials also increase to meet customer desired quality. SMP covers detail of mold closing, opening, barrel temperature, injection, holding and dosing, cooling and etc. parameters. The SMP only normally used by molders whenever they start production into the injection molding machines. See, my conversion says that any product which is previously molded in injection molding machine with meeting customer requirements. The particular assembly can be converted to our desired machine by theoretical for save trial time, raw material wastage and also cost of the produce. So example I taken here one example, the beaker part running in 100-ton machine, the SMP also available. Now we plan to take trial in 150-ton machine for future production. So the 100-ton machine SMP we can convert by theoretically to match 150-ton machine. This SMP converted parameter we can use as a basic parameters before starting the trials. Why it is important? See, these techniques increase the success rate of trial with meeting customer requirement. This part can be molded in that particular machine or not. Before trial, we can find out. We can save trial time, reduce material wastage, also prevent molding defects. Especially sometimes the parts are filled by using sequence gate to avoid well lines. So without conversion, the well line may be shipped some other place. By using conversion, the same area we can follow the well line sinks and short fills. So easy startup and process fine tunings. Also, this SMP conversion helps to adopt new theoretical approaches for process optimization and validation in the injection molding process. See where it can be used. See, this process conversion can be used similar injection molding machine and different make injection molding machine. If I have 100-ton Usumi machine, if you have planned to load in Toshiba 150, the process can be converted from Usumi to Toshiba also, or Toshiba to Usumi also. When it can be used, sometime the machine may get breakdown. That time we want to produce this particular part. Then we want to take trial. But this SMP conversion helps. Okay. This SMP conversion helps to load this particular mold in other machine with the easy process fine tuning. Also contingency plan for the plastic industries. Which are the parameters being converted? See, only a few major parameters only contributing the quality of the products, such as dosing stop, injection profile like position speed, pressure, and holding pressure profiles such as position speed and pressures. These are the parameters we are going to convert by theoretically. So how to convert SMP? So before we get into the SMP conversion, let me have some glance on screw profiles, cylinder head volumes, and specific injection pressures. In industry, actually normally seen some molders or carry out production in injection molding unknowingly the screw profile details in injection molding machine. Normally, knowing the screw profile before trial or production in injection molding helps molders improve process consistency, easy to troubleshoot molding defects such as discoloration, black spot, degradation on molding. See, if you molding raw material with master batch with the standard profile screw normally cause discoloration. So need like barrier screw. Reduce RM wastage and molding rejection. Predict the raw material can be processed or not with the screw profile in the injection molding machines. See here schematic diagram shows that standard profile screw. Normally standard profile screw have lower shear rate and barrier profile screw have multiple plates on the screw and have medium shear rate of plastic material. It will support good mixing when we molding raw material with the master batch. Mixing profile screw. It leaves higher shear rate of processing material, but it support very good mixing of raw material with the master batch. See, if you processing raw material with master batch with the standard screw normally cause improper mixing because it's a standard profile screw. So the discoloration issues may comes processing that raw material with the master batch material with the standard screw. So it is prepared and suggested to process with the barrier or mixing that profile screw to prevent such as discoloration molding issues. See, if you process any engineering material with mixing profile screw, cause higher shear rate, the molding defect of burn marks may comes on the molded parts. So, screw profile also plays vital role in injection molding machine for molding free from molding defects. Calculation of cylinder head volume. See, normally the maximum screw stroke in the injection molding machine would be 4 to 5 times of the screw diameter. If the screw diameter is 50 mm, then the screw stroke might be 4 into 50 equal to 200 mm only, 200 to 250 mm. Cylinder head volume we can find out using volume of cylinder formula such as pi r square h or 5 by 4 d square h. Let us assume the screw stroke is 4 times of the screw diameter for calculate cylinder head volume with the screw diameter. 4 into 50 equal to 200 mm or 20 centimeters. Second, we have to find out screw radius. Screw radius equal to screw diameter by 2. So here screw diameter 50 by 2 equal to 25 mm or 2.5 centimeter. So after find out screw stroke and radius, then finally we can able to find out cylinder head volume. So volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h. So cylinder head volume equal to 3.14 into 2.5, 2.5 into 20. So almost for 50 dia screw, the cylinder head volume is 392.5 cubic centimeters. The maximum injection capacity of the machine can arrive by multiply the processing material density with the cylinder head volume. See, if you take example 50 diameter screw, cylinder head volume is 393. If you process PS material, the maximum injection capacity might be 357 grams. If you change PP, the density to be multiplied with the PP density to be multiplied with the cylinder head volumes. Specific injection pressure. The hydraulic injection pressure at cylinder amplifies 10 to 12 times front of the screw tip during injection and holding. That pressure normally called as a specific injection pressure. The specific injection pressure can obtain from catalog and the hydraulic pressure obtained only from the machine hybrids or HMI control. So dosing stop position calculation. The dosing stop position also to be find out by using volume of cylinder formula only. So dosing stop position equal to start by divided by pi r square into 0.1 into density of material. Here that 0.1 refers to 1 mm stroke. So I am going to already I have run that bigger part in 100 ton machine. The 100 ton machine have the screw diameter of 50 mm. So the dosing stop is 68 mm. Now I am planning to run this part into the 150 ton machine, which is a screw diameter of 60 mm. So by using this calculation, the dosing stops comes 47 mm. So when screw diameter increase, the screw stroke might reduces. Injection position and stroke profile conversions. The injection profile converted using the same volume of cylinder formula like dosing stop. See, 100 ton specific injection with 2000 bar and hydraulic pressure 190 bar. So SMP we have that injection profile. The position 70, 50, 18, speed 25, 80, 45 and pressure 100, 100, 100. So now I am going to convert this profile into next desired machine of 150 ton. So first I am going to convert the stroke positions. injection stage wise. So injection stage wise stroke first convert into the weight. So first stage 20 mm injected, second stage 32 mm injected, third stage 8 mm injected. That 20 mm converted into the weight such as 29.4, 47.1, 11.8 with the screw diameter of 50 mm. Then the weight we going to convert into the position to meet screw diameter of 60 mm. The stage 1 14 mm we have to inject, then stage 2 32 mm we have to inject, stage 3 6 mm we have to inject. So our screw dosing stop already we calculated, that is 47 mm. Then stage 1 47 to 14 33 mm. So stage 1 we are injecting 40 mm. So stage 3 33 to 22 11 mm we are injecting in 60 dia screw. Then 11 to 6 5 mm is the switchover position in the 150 ton machine. See, injection speed profile conversion. See, normally injection speed represented by two units such as mm per second or percentage. Some manufacturers in iPad they giving straight away mm per second. Some manufacturers represent by percentage. So injection rate obtained by multiplying injection speed with the area of the screw diameter. So here I put one question: what could be the injection rate if the injection speed is 50 mm with the screw diameter of 50 mm? So first step we have to find out area of the screw. So area of the screw for 50 mm dia 19.625 centimeter square. Then step 2 we have to find out the injection rate. So injection rate equal to injection speed by 10 mm. So I am converting into the centimeter. That's why I divided by 10. So 5 centimeter multiply with the screw area of 19.625 centimeter square. So for this we are obtain the injection rate 92 cc per second. So injection rate of 98. Next, injection speed profile conversion. See, now we know how to convert injection speed into injection rate. The same way we have to follow here. The first step, the injection speed of 100 ton machine converted into the injection rate, such as first step 49 cc per second, second stage for 80 mm per second speed to 157 cc per second, third stage 88 cc per second. Finally, the injection rate to be converted into the speed of desired machine by using okay by screw diameter. So such as speed obtained 17, first stage 17, second stage 56, third one is 31 mm per second. Next, injection pressure conversions. So we have to obtain the specific injection pressure and hydraulic pressure details from the catalog and the machine controllers. So first step, hydraulic pressure converted to the specific pressure. Second step, that the specific injection pressure converted into the hydraulic pressure of desired machines. So in 50 dia machine, 120, 180 is the injection pressure. For 60 dia, 160, 133, 107 is the injection pressure. Because here in 150 ton machine have the maximum specific injection pressure of 1500 bar. The holding pressure, speed and pressure profile conversion the same as it is how we converted like injection pressure, the same we have to follow here also. See, after conversion, this process parameter though record some amount of process fine tuning because of difference in screw diameter, screw profile, LYD ratio and compression ratio, change on resident times due to screw diameter, wear and tear of screw and barrel, difference in nozzle orifice, different manufacturers injection molding machines. So here I put already in previous company I worked out like a software in Excel file. So normally I select machine. So automatically the specification comes out here. So feed the basic parameters. Then two machine I have to select which machine I am going to take trial. That machine I will select. That process parameters automatically converted into the two machines. Next, I am going to talk about benefits of purging compound. See, normally any plastic material tends to degrade if it is lies more than 11 minutes inside the screw barrel with the processing temperature. Once material degrades, it tends to sticky or adhesive in nature. Once it stick on screw and barrel, very difficult to remove that sticked material. Normally processing materials won't remove the carbon effectively, so it causes in between black dots or black lines during molding. So that we have to use the purging compounds to remove the carbon to eliminate in between defects while molding. See, some customer place I noticed some white lines, peel off and discoloration issues. Normally these kind of issues cause for mixing of two structured material such as crystalline and amorphous. For eliminate these defects, we have to completely remove the lost processing material. Like PP to PC, if you change, the PP is the crystalline structured material and PC is the amorphous material. So the crystalline material to be completely removed from the barrel and screw prior start of PC molding. Otherwise, what will cause the white lines or peel off and those kind of issues may come. So I'm going to introduce some barrel bleach universal. Works like a scrubber, removes the sticky carbon material and also effectively clean the lost processing material from the screw and barrel. BBU enable rapid material and color changes too. BB ensures that no more black dots, discoloration, peel off and white lights on molding defect. See here I shown some photograph purging lost material, remove carbon black material, then turns to white effectively by within 40 minutes. See, the purging material can be used when changing material, changing color, remove decarbonizing, remove carbons on molding and remove the screw from the barrels. The purging components can be used like BBU in injection molding, extrusion and blow molding also. See, the barrel bleach is the universal grade can use into all commodity, engineering and specialty plastic materials. It suits all kind of applications, moldings like such as automotive, home appliances, textile, preforms, medical, packaging, PVC pipes and household applications. Normally, customer requirements are quality and reliability and lower processing cost. See, barrel bleach just perform not color or material change. It turns back to the original conditions. As like when we purchase the machine, that condition it will make. See, by using purchasing compounds for color or material change, help to save money to the customer and also improve the productivity and profitability of its customer in plastic industries. Normally, it save at least 20 to 30% of cost by using purchasing compounds. Next, I am going to talk about shut-off nozzles. See, a common practice of avoid stinge and rolling in moldings. Suckbacks normally increases to avoid these rollings and stinging. But scientific molding approaches, we should not use the suckback for rolling or stinging because it will destabilize the molding and also make worse than the drooling and the suckback process. So normally we have to use shut-off nozzle to prevent stinging and droolings in the moldings. So by using shut-off nozzle can able to prevent streaks, voids, bubbles and short fills on the moldings. Also it helps to process consistency and repeatability. So shutoff nozzles from MD Plastic USA. The shutoff nozzle tip is the simple and cost-effective solution to prevent drooling and sweating. It shuts off immediately as soon as injection and molding process gets completed. Its unique design allows to material flow freely into the mold and also result no loss or reduction of injection pressures. Features reliable, easy to use, easy to install and remove, fits to all nozzle bodies, used with all machine size, used with all polymers, and also easily available in stock. So benefits for the startup nozzle: eliminates suckback parameters, eliminate drooling, stringing, sometimes allows parallel operation for the mold open with the dosing process to reduce the cycle times. Next, I am going to talk about bimetallic screw barrel. Bimetallic screw barrel made up of with two metals. One is base material such as nitro alloy. One more alloy liners like tungsten carbon. See, when we process F4 and glass filled materials with a normal nitrate screw, cause wear, abrasive wear and corrosive wear. So to prevent the screw and barrel from abrasive and corrosive wear, so we have to use bimetallic screw and barrels. So by processing glass fill and F4 grade material with bimetallic screw barrel, improve the life of this screw and barrels, reduce molding defects such as burn mark, blood dots, which is normally caused by screw and barrel wears. Next, I am going to talk about air-cooled oil coolers. Normally, in injection molding machines are powered and driven by power units. The hydraulic oil flows inside the cylinders and valves, which cause restrictions of oil, increasing the oil temperatures. See, when oil temperature increase, the viscosity of oil might change. When oil viscosity changes, it affects the system performance, also the elements of the systems. See, normally in the injection molding machine, we have to operate the oil temperature between 40 to 50 degree. If it is increase or decrease, the performance of the machine would be changed. See, normally in industry, heat exchangers are used for cooling the oil. The heat is okay. From the restriction, the oil gets heated. That heated oil through cool down by water circulation in the heater exchangers. See, normally by using water, okay, sometimes cause scale formation in the heat exchanger, also affect the performance of cooling the oils. Now, newly introduced the air coolers to cool down the oil temperature instead of heat exchangers. These coolers use a combination of high performance cooling elements combined with DC electric motors. It will fit to all the equipments, use highest performance in heat dissipation while minimize space required. So air cooler is more suitable when water is scarcity and contaminated. No water required for cooling hydraulic oils and can save water too. No issue of scaling in the injection moldings. Cut down the water circulation in heat exchanger, help to improve water pressure in mine lives. It indirectly support to the mold cooling for reduction of cycle times. Conclusion. See, SMP conversion can contribute, save trial time and reduce raw material wastage during trial to save cost of produce. So Aqua Purge is the mechanical purging carbon that provides deep clean of screw and barrel, enable rapid clean and color change, and also effectively remove of carbon. Use shut-off nozzle to prevent drooling and swinging. Also stabilize the molding process for consistency of molding process. Biometal is screw and barrel product from abrasive and corrosive wear while processing FR and glass film materials. Air oil cooler is the most suitable cooling for the oil in injection molding machine instead of heat exchanger when water is scarcity and contaminated. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Karthik, for your very good present. Using holding one component in one machine, like 200 ton machine. For the emergency of shifting this mold from 200 ton, 250 ton, or 150 ton, the same parameters can be converted into the regarding new machine, so which can reduce the cycle setting time, especially product cycle time can be changed. So it's a really good new concept. It can be introduced in the companies molders for reducing their changeover times. And also, you have given a very good details about the usage of purging components and shut-off nozzles, how it improves the quality of the product and reducing the rejections. Also, the heat exchangers, air heat exchangers, how it reduces the water and water contaminations, also improves the mold quality and other things. It's good presentation. I request the audience, if any questions, please ask. I will handle the questions in place of Mr. Arun Prasad, whatever I can answer. And questions to Mr. Karthik, he can answer it directly.